Assalamu alaikum, my name is Rafay Alam. I'm an environmental lawyer and I wanted to speak to you about air quality in Pakistani cities. The air quality in Pakistani cities is hazardous. It's a public health emergency. It's not just a problem in Lahore, it's a problem over the North Indian plain all the way to Bengal. It's a regional transboundary issue. This air quality, there's no such thing as a little bit of air pollution. It is bad for you at all levels. It will reduce your lifespan. It will cause lung damage. It will and has the potential of impacting children's cognitive abilities. It is disproportionately going to harm pregnant women and senior citizens, and it's happening now. We must take steps to improve air quality in Pakistan. What are those steps? Well, firstly, we need to protect ourselves. We must invest in air purifiers and we must use masks when the air quality is bad. Just the act of using masks will prevent you from getting the sort of respiratory ailments that we hear about, the asthmatic attacks, the coughing and the wheezing, the runny eyes and nose. Just a mask will help fix that. But if we really want to tackle this problem, we have to address how we have been developing as an economy. Because a lot of the air quality issues we are facing are because of the particular type of development tangent or development trajectory we have taken. We have to divest from fossil fuels. We have to divest from coal-fired power plants. We have to stop burning our municipal waste and also farm waste. We have to improve the way we undertake construction in cities so that the dust doesn't pollute us. So there's a raft of activities that need to be undertaken in order to improve air quality. And while it may seem daunting at first task, who's going to do all of these things? The good news, if you can say there's good news, is that other cities have cleaned their air. Other cities like London, like New York, like Los Angeles, like Stockholm, like Copenhagen, Beijing, Shanghai. There are dozens of cities where the people in those cities finally said enough is enough. We need our enough is enough moment. There are solutions out there. We have experts out there that can fix it for us, but we need to set it in our minds that this is dangerous and that we want to do something about it. Thank you.